if you show effort and a sense of urgency for what you're doing, you know, and that you care about what you're doing, you can easily move up in the company very quickly. Say it's a part that, you know, can be done in one machine, you know, you'll do the whole thing. You know what I mean? There's no, because a lot of times, you know, I've been to 2 other machine shops so far, and 9 times out of 10 it's, you know, set up like a job shop where you have a guy that sets the machine up, you know, for what you're trying to do. You have a guy that sits in an office and he programs. You have a guy that can just come in and hit cycle start, load your part, take it out, and just do that over and over again. They don't have to do nothing, you know what I mean? It's not like a day in, day out thing, like just monotonous, repetitive over and over again, you know, there's always something to look forward to. Yeah, there's definitely a sense of fulfillment in what we do here.